All right, so in the spirit of everybody else and unboxing videos, I'm just extremely impressed. I just opened up the box for my CSF radiator that I ordered for my Miata. With this tight little garage here, this is where I'm going to be doing all the work, but the plan is to turbocharge. I've got a full cracking kit right in here. Got a MS plug and play 2 ECU here, a whole bunch of other parts, a bunch of random stuff that I have for the build. There's a full 3-inch exhaust in here. The turbo is actually in this little box under there. And yesterday I started digging through the included USB drive for the plug and play 2, and just to try to familiarize myself with that. But here it is anyway. First unboxing part of this is the radiator, and the packaging is amazing. So let's see if I can unbox parts. Let's see if there's something here. What do we got? Mounts. Set that aside. We've got, oh, I bought some hybrid engine mount. System for the Miata, as I feel I wanted to retain some of the original. I guess it's the hybrid version is one composite side and then one rubber side, and that's supposed to I feel I need it. The car is 30 it's 30 years old this year. This is a 94. So I figure I should replace them, as I'm going to be adding, well, hopefully about 100 or so more horse. So I figure in order to handle that, it would be a good idea to replace them. I've also bought the, let's see, the like a replacement kit for all the clutch parts. As I bought a, let's see, I bought a Flying Miata. No, take that back. I was looking at the Flying Miata clutches, and ultimately I went with the SuperMiata clutch and the organic disc combination. It was slightly cheaper, but honestly, I really like the SuperMiata parts. So I opted for that route. The reason I'm doing I actually replaced my slave cylinder already once, but after flushing the clutch, and running it for a little bit, the fluid turned black again. So I figured it was a good idea to buy the overhaul kit, which is what I got here. This is the overall kit that you can opt for with the SuperMiata clutch. And again, with the time and such like that, I thought it was worth it. Let's see, we got the accessory kit here. Sorry, that must have, oh no, okay. This is the part of the reroute kit. Yeah, oh nice, with all the accessories. So I also got the coolant reroute kit, which I think is going to be really important when you're running more power, plus with the crossover radiator, all of that new stuff. Must be the thermostat. I believe it should still be the 195 temperature one. Gives that big kind of block goes on the back of the head. And this is where the new thermostat will be housed. It's a really nice piece of machinery. See, SuperMiata P. Let's see, you got ports for sensors, coolant temp sensor. I believe that's actually going to be on the front, but then there's ports back here for the turbo cooling, and I think that's about it at the moment. I can't 100% remember what everything is at the moment. Put that back, bring everything up. Some more, I believe that's the front half. That's to go out to the radiator. Block off plate. I opted for the block off plate in case I ever get back into the front end. I think initially I will just block off the tube that comes out the front, and I will worry about the removing that whole tube at a later time. Okay, that's that. We got other parts here, very well packaged. What this is? What everybody says. It's really hard to do this all one-handed. I believe that's motor mount parts. Yep, motor mount parts. I think. Get to it later. Looks like my motor mount parts. Tube. The silicone tube. Probably that's for the reroute kit. And the radiator. I really want to get into the radiator. I'm going to set you down. I'm going to pull it out and we'll be back. Okay. Now I got it out of the box. Got it out of the plastic. Very nicely packaged. Had these styrofoam bits on the ends. That covering the, I believe, one of the top posts. And this piece of corrugated plastic around it. The thing is beautiful looking. Super. Look at that. Super shiny. What a beautiful product. They really must take a lot of pride in this. Oh, and I love it. It's got the SuperMiata put in the front. Won't be visible, unfortunately, because that will be covered up by an intercooler, but at least we know it's there. It's beautiful looking. Crossover radiator. So yeah, that's the radiator unboxing. Actually, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Mega Squirt in, learn how to tune all of that properly with before I put the turbo kit in, and that way, obviously, what they say is that makes it easier. So that's a work in progress. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll all see how this adventure goes. Thank you. Actually, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Mega Squirt in, learn how to tune all of that properly with before I put the turbo kit in, and that way, obviously, what they say is that makes it easier. So that's a work in progress. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll all see how this adventure goes. Thank you.